part is for brows, so let's do our brows as beginners. So first things first, you brush your brows upward like this. I'm using this Davis pencil. This is number 3. I'm using number 3. So first you draw a line on the down part. You start from under, with light strokes. You outline your brows. This is a guide for you. Then the up side. The up side, you not take it from the same point you take the down one. You know the down one, you take it from the starting of your brows to outline it, but the up side, you take it from somewhere like this. Then you fill the inside. Like so. You need the same thing on the other side. Don't forget, the two brows will never ever be the same. They will just look similar, but they will never be the same. So if you draw your brows and they are not looking the same, don't you worry. It's for everybody. Only thing is that you have to try as much as possible to make them look alike. Let the difference not too much. You have to look alike. Do the same thing the up side. We use concealer to clean her brows, to define it more. Just to clean out the edges, to define it. This concealer dries so fast, so I'm going to do one side. Just add a little bit of concealer like this. Take a flat brush, then you clean up the down side and the up. Just a little light strokes. Any concealer that is remaining on your brush, use it to take it down to be like your eyeshadow primer. You take it down. So now I use this side of the brush. For the up side, I'll use this other side that I I've not used. I use this side, then I'll turn the brush like this for the up side so that there won't be too much concealer on the top side. So we clean the other one. This is all for the brows.